Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share a powerful idea with you, a concept I call the bulldozer and the golden bridge. It's something that has completely changed how I look at challenges, goals, and even my own relationships. So, what do I mean by that? Imagine you're standing on one side of a huge canyon. On the other side is everything you've ever wanted, your dream job, a healthier lifestyle, a stronger family connection, you name it. The canyon itself represents all the obstacles in your way: fear, self-doubt, lack of knowledge, or just plain old procrastination. Now, you have two ways to get across. The first is the bulldozer. This is our default mode a lot of the time. We see the canyon and we decide to charge right through it. We force things. We work 80-hour weeks, fueled by caffeine and sheer willpower, trying to plow through every obstacle. We might argue to get our point across, convinced that if we just push harder, we'll eventually break through to the other side. And sometimes, the bulldozer works. You might get a short-term win. You might close that deal or finish that project. But what's the cost? The bulldozer leaves a trail of destruction. You're exhausted, burned out, and the relationships you strained along the way are now damaged. You've essentially just carved a messy, rugged ditch through the canyon. It's not a sustainable path, and it's certainly not a pleasant one to travel again. You might have gotten to the other side, but you're too tired to even enjoy it. But there's another way. The golden bridge. Instead of trying to force your way through the canyon, you decide to build something beautiful, something permanent. You start by laying a foundation. You learn a new skill. You have an open, honest conversation instead of a heated argument. You take one small, consistent step every single day towards your health goal, instead of attempting a brutal, unsustainable diet. Building a bridge takes time. It requires patience, planning, and precision. You have to gather your materials knowledge, support from friends, seeking passion. You have to carefully design the structure. Each plank you lay is a small, intentional action. It's reading one chapter of a book, going for a 10-minute walk, or offering a genuine apology. Unlike the bulldozer, which is all about brute force, building the golden bridge is about strategy and grace. It's about creating connections, not causing collisions. Think about it in your career. Instead of just bulldozing through tasks, you build relationships with colleagues. You become a mentor. You create a network of support that not only helps you cross your own canyon, but also helps others cross theirs. The most incredible thing about the Golden Bridge is that once it's built, it's there forever. It's a permanent pathway to success. You can cross it again and again, and even better, you can invite others to cross with you. Your success doesn't come at the expense of your well-being or your relationships. Instead, it strengthens them. You arrive on the other side, not depleted and broken, but energized and proud of the beautiful, enduring structure you've created. So, the next time you face a challenge, a vast canyon standing between you and your goal, ask yourself, Am I revving up the bulldozer, or am I gathering the tools to build a golden bridge? The choice to push through or to build up can make all the difference. Choose to build. Choose the path that is not only effective, but also elegant and enduring. Thank you so much for watching. If this idea resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your own golden bridges in life. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep building.